Hey guys, and welcome back to my new video. So in this video I'm back on IMVU, and I was not on IMVU in ages. Long story short, I left IMVU because IMVU took down my YouTube channel of 19k subscribers because I was giving out gifts on Christmas and also credits, so they took me down. I had 90k. I was the one that made the Ruth remake and all the other in love characters, etc. I was making mainly remakes and anime videos, and after they disabled me and I had to start from scratch, I mainly make second life videos, but somebody in my comments kept requesting me to make anime videos, so I decided to make one. And I wanted to remake this girl from TikTok. I freaking love her. She looks so stunning, and I also have a picture that I downloaded. So that's gonna be my reference. Like, she looks so freaking stunning and cool and pretty. So without further ado, let's get started with the video and let's go.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all I want. All I wanted was Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while, since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got, and stockings hung and overflowing from the top. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all I want. All I wanted was you. 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 And I hear sleigh bells. All I wanted was you. Feel my heart melt. All I wanted was you. Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all I want. All I wanted was you. Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while, since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got, and stockings hung, and overflowing from the top. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all I want. All I wanted was you. 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 And I hear sleigh bells. All I wanted was you. Feel my heart melt. All I wanted was you. Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all
Okay, you guys. Oh my god. I think I freaking nailed this. I did not expect that to look this good. I got her lashes, her dimple piercing, her nose piercing again. Let me get you her reference. Like, she have red hair. It's always tied up, as you can see here. Then her piercings here. Like, sometimes she have it here on the side, sometimes she have it at the nose, so I put in both of them. And here in the bottom she have it here. I went first for the pink eye, but she mostly have kind of nude eyes, like you can see here. Nude lips. Like, she has so many makeup looks, but in general I freaking love her lashes. Sometimes it's white on the end, sometimes it's pink or any other color. But I went with this blonde ones. The eyebrows are the closest as they can get. I picked the nose blush because the other blush it's okay, but her face is prominent, as you can see here with the nose blush. Like, the nose always have a blush, and this kind of highlights. So I think this one is the most fitting. I didn't even bother to look for the face tattoo because I know I'm not gonna find it. And I also found these gems for the nails. Oh my god. Like you can see here in her videos, she have these chunky nails with these gems on it. Look how adorable. So I went with this one. I don't know if it's that visible, but as always on my videos, all the links from this look gonna be in the description below, so you can go and get her. And if you do, take a picture, tag me on Instagram. And if you have any other requests of any other TikTok creator where you love their style, I would love to take the challenge and recreate them. So anyways guys, without further ado, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!